Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Karan and for today's recipe we'll be making 3-ingredient, gluten-free, dairy-free breakfast banana pancakes. Anybody can make this if they want to have a quick breakfast and eat it fast with some yummy maple syrup. For the ingredients, you're going to need 3 bananas, 3 eggs, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. First, mush the bananas into a chunky paste. Now that it's at this consistency, it's like liquidy, but it's chunky, we can add the eggs. The batter is ready. It should be of this consistency. It's liquidy with chunks and a brown color. So now I can put it on the pan since it's ready. I put my pan on medium heat and I think it's hot enough now. So I can put some oil and then put the pancake on. Put about 2 ladles, 1.5 to 2 ladles. Now put ghee or butter or oil, whatever you have, on the outsides of it so that it can flip easily. Now we wait 3 minutes until we flip it. I think it's getting red now because I'm looking, and if you have a doubt you can just lift it up like this and take a sneak peek. So now I can flip it. It's red on the top. So now we wait some more time until it gets cooked on the bottom. I think it's cooked on the bottom, so I can plate it now. Now we do another one. If you want to make a banana blueberry pancake, then you can put a few blueberries while it's cooking, like this. They don't soak in as well as normal pancakes, but they're still really good and get that blueberry pancake flavor. No, not ready. I flipped the blueberry pancake and only one of them sort of came out. So I just put it back on top here. If you want banana chocolate chip pancakes, you can add it while it's cooking in the pan like the blueberries. And if you want banana nut pancakes, then add diced walnuts or crushed in the batter, not while it's cooking. Not the best one. I'm back after cooking the pancakes, so now I can taste them with some maple syrup. And just an idea, since Father's Day is coming up, kids or mothers can make this for a dad if they want to make him a breakfast. And also my cake video, I'll leave a card up here. And you can also check out my breakfast recipes in an end screen that should be, I think, here. So now I can taste it. Like and subscribe.